Thanks everyone for joining the session. Welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. My company is not an institute, it's purely networking company. You can see the brand value also here. It's a purely networking company. It's not at all an institute. Okay. So we are proudly say that we are part of Startup India as well as we are part of MSME Government of India as well. Okay. If you search about my company in Google, you will get every information. Okay. Yeah. So here we are giving training on Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto courses. Okay. What do you mean by Cisco? What do you mean by Juniper? What do you mean by Palo Alto? You will come to know soon. Okay. So yeah, before going to start that, let me explain myself. Okay. I'm Ramesh Goud. My name is Ramesh Goud, and I have total 11 plus years of experience. Currently, it is about to 12 years. Okay, so May month, if I hit May month, I have 12 to come. I'll complete 12 years of experience in networking domain, entire networking domain. So I worked in Cisco, I worked in Nokia, I worked in Juniper, and lastly, I worked in Amazon as well. Okay, so parallelly, my colleague Karthik is also there. So he is from Palo Alto. He worked as a Palo Alto tech engineer. So this Palo Alto entire course will be taken care by Mr. Karthik. Okay. So here I also worked as a tech engineer. So we had a great exposure in networking domain. Okay. So we interacted with global customers. We troubleshooted lot of issues in real time, data center issues, network issues, lot of issues. Okay. So we want to give you practical knowledge to you guys. So whatever we implemented in real time, right? Entire real time stuff with labs, everything we will explain you in these courses. Okay. That's why all my lot of candidates are getting job very quickly. If you learn things real time, right, you will get a clear picture and you will get a good job in good companies. So let me explain about what exactly this technology is. Again, I'm telling you, this is not a institute. This is a industrial training where my company is giving training with real time labs and all. Whatever during these 12 years of experience, how many projects I worked on, so many projects. I worked on so many projects, so many real time issues. I have encountered so many real time issues. I designed a course based on my experience. These courses are not as per the syllabuses. If you go for syllabuses, right, some of the protocols are not covered. Here, based on the industry standards, currently, what protocols we are using in real time, in Amazon or in Oracle, wherever it is, in ISPs, what exactly we are using currently. So those things I am teaching here. Whatever it is unnecessary things, I'm not teaching, and whatever it is required in next level, there are level certification levels here: CCNA associate level, and professional level and expert level. Here the training is equal to the expert level directly. Okay. So yeah, so let's understand how internet works. Everyone is using internet. That's why you're joining this Google Meet, right? Everyone. Without internet, nothing will work in this world, right? We are the network engineers who work behind the internet. Okay. So how exactly internet works, I want to just give you a brief idea. You already know. So you will take a broadband connection. So from Wi-Fi, you will get a internet connection. So mobile phone, you can access it, or else from Wi-Fi you can access the internet. That is one way. How Wi-Fi is getting internet connection? If you see here, right? If you see here, this is called optical fiber cable. You will get a input connection here. This is a converter from optical to electrical. Okay. So this LAN cable will connect it to the Wi-Fi modem. So you can see, right, this is a ash color cable. This is a input from ISP, and this is a yellow color cable. You can give it to your computer, laptop, or TV, or whatever it is, or else through Wi-Fi also you can access the internet. This is one way. Another one way is through mobile phone. In mobile phone you will
Hello.
have a antenna. Yeah, hello.
Actually, I can't able to see the screen.
Is it everyone? You're not able to see my screen?
No, we are able to see the
Yeah,
screen. No
yeah,
screen.
yeah. I think there is an issue at your end. Maybe due to internet connection is very slow or something. Can you refresh your screen or rejoin the meeting? Yeah,
Okay, so I'll rejoin.
yeah, yeah, sure. So, so this is a mobile. In the mobile, you will see this is the antenna. Okay. So through carrier, either 5G or 4G, LTE, right? Through carrier, there will be a tower here, mobile tower. So you will get a through wireless, you will get internet connection. However, if you see right, this is the antenna. So at the bottom right, you may see one small room. In that room, you may see the devices. Those devices called networking devices. I will show you in the next slide. Okay. So one way is through broadband connection, you will get internet connection. Another one way is through Wi-Fi. I mean through mobile LTE carrier. And is there another way we can get the internet connection? Does anyone have any idea? Is there any another way we can get internet connection? Can you please guess it?
Satellite.
Yes.
Satellite side,
Wireless and
Yeah.
wireless.
Starlink,
Yeah, Starlink. Very good.
Starlink.
Satellite. So Starlink. So through satellite also you can get internet connection. Simple, like how you are getting a TV, right? DTHS. Okay. So direct to home. Same way, there will be a satellite antenna top of your building, and through satellite you'll get input connection. From satellite to your modem, home modem, router, you'll get a connection through wire. From there you can access the internet. So this is another way. Okay. Yeah, so these are the three ways you get an internet connection. Okay. So behind the internet, okay, how exactly it works? Simply, everyone is using YouTube and Instagram nowadays, right? So if you upload any video or photo in Instagram, how exactly it works? I just want to give you a brief idea. Okay. So consider this is a laptop or mobile phone. So this is a laptop. You're trying to access YouTube or Instagram. Suppose Instagram everyone is using, right? It is very handy. So you take a selfie and upload a photo in Instagram. Where you're uploading on your laptop. So the data, whatever it is, right? The 4 MB, maybe the photo will have 4 MB of data. The data will go first to the router to the modem, and you'll get an input connection from your broadband, right? Everyone is using Airtel Extreme or Geo Fiber or local broadband connections. So the local broadband connections are giving input connection to you. And these service providers, these are the internet service providers. These are connected to the Instagram server. Whatever you are uploading the photos, all the photos are storing in Instagram server. So where the server is located? The server is located somewhere else in this world. Okay, where it is located? Maybe in Texas, maybe in US or UK, maybe in India. You can say Mumbai location. Consider the server is located in Mumbai location. So you are sitting in Hyderabad, you are uploading the data here, and the data is storing in Instagram server. The data is called photo or video or whatever it is. So how exactly it is working? The service provider is connecting to the Mumbai location data center. So how they are connecting? Through cables. See, this is a cable. What cable they are using? Optical fiber cable. Currently we are accessing the internet with high speed, right? 100 Mbps, 200 Mbps, because of this optical fiber cables. These optical fiber cables will carry the huge data. The data will travel in the form of light, right? What is the light speed? Can anyone tell me what is the light speed here? Just Google it. It is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It means it's very high speed. Okay, it's very high speed. So still we are not achieving that speed. Still the supporting hardware is not developed. We are still developing it. 10 years back, if you see, right, if you want to download any movie, it will take a lot of time. Now within fraction of seconds you are able to download 1 GB of movie, because of this high speed internet, because they developed the hardware like that. So if you see, right, the broadband connection to the server, at every 30 to 40 kilometers you will see the router. What is this router? Not this router, whatever you are using at home router, right? That is not a router. So the router which is using here is, now this router is cost of 1500 to 2000 rupees, right? But this router is 3 lakhs, 2 to 3 lakhs rupees of cost. Okay. So once you completion of this course, right, you will able to work on these routers. I will show you in the next slide. These routers are very cost, and they we have configured a lot of protocols on these routers. Okay. So how many kilometers, suppose this server is located in Mumbai, right? Maybe it is 1000 kilometers, right? For every 30 kilometers they install a router. Okay. You can see the mobile tower also. Here this is a mobile tower, right? Bottom of the mobile tower you can see one room. In that room also you will see these routers. Okay. So the communication is happening through wire only, through underground cable. They lay the cable through underground. Okay. So currently the biggest service providers in India is Airtel and Jio. They already laid the fiber through underground. Okay. At every 30 to 40 kilometers, you will see the router, and this is an Instagram server. This server is connected to this router. It means you uploaded the image in Hyderabad. It is traveling like this, and it is stored in Instagram server. So these are the devices, these are the connectivity behind the internet. This is just simple small one. Let me show you the real server. So this is a storage server, you can see. Instagram. So in Instagram data center, right? These are the storage servers. See, have you seen this? Have you seen this, right? These are the hard disks. So these are the plenty of hard disks. 1 TB, 2 TB, petabyte also. Okay. So huge data, huge hard, this hard is having, these hard disks are having huge capacity to store the data. Okay. Whatever the current users are uploading videos and images, right? Everything is stored in this data center, Instagram servers, storage servers. You can see, right? These are the data center. These are the racks you will see. In this rack, all the servers are installed in this rack. Okay. These servers are connected to the routers. Those routers we call networking devices. Okay. All these servers, web servers, storage servers, there are a lot of servers in this data center. Everything will, you know, everything will connected to the networking devices. So it means whatever you are uploading videos and images, right? Those are storing in these servers. Okay. So this data center is located in somewhere else. Okay. So all these racks, all these servers are connected to the routers and switches. Okay. So this is Google data center. If you see here, right, these all are servers. If you see closely, right, this yellow color cable is connected to the top of rack here. If you see, right, are you able to see this device? This is a router. If you see, right, all these devices are routers. If you see in each and every rack, at the top you will see the devices, networking devices. These are the routers. So it means all the storage servers are connected to these routers. Who will maintain all these routers? We are the network engineers. Okay. Yeah. So this is an image of Google data center. And so now this is how generally it look like, how exactly the data is stored. Now how internet is works. So each and every country in this world, okay, each and every country in this world are connecting each other. Suppose currently, recently 2024 T20 World Cup happened in USA, right? You are able to watch on live how it is happening, because all the countries are connected to each other through cables. These are the ocean internet cables. Okay. So each and every country is connected to each other through fiber optical cables. These cables are laid under ocean. See, this is it. If you see, right, this is a cable. These are the cables they laid under ocean. Okay. So whatever the data centers which are located in different countries, whatever happened in this world, you are able to see it, because every country is connected each other with this fiber cable. See. So if you see, right, these are the cores. These are the cores to protect. So the data, right, whatever the data, all data is traveling this glass. So these are the core. This, you can say, this is a fiber optical cable. Okay. Inside there is a glass. So the data will travel through light. Light means laser. Everyone in your childhood, everyone is playing with laser, right? I hope everyone. The laser is there. You can play with laser, right? So it has some distance. It can travel up to some distance, right? Anyone? Everyone played with
Yes.
lasers, right?
Uh,
So yeah. So the data will
yes,
go.
sir.
Yeah, the data will go in the form of laser here. Okay. So the data, whatever the data you are uploading, whatever it is, resumes, videos, audios, whatever it is, everything in the form of MBs only. All the data will go in the form of laser. It will travel through fiber cable. To protect your fiber, right, under ocean you may see a lot of sharks. From shark bites and all, it is cladding. You may see in engineering college optical fiber communication, there is a subject. Also in degree or intermediate also, you can see fiber core and cladding. This is a core, this is a cladding to protect your course. Okay, so see, these many layers are there. Okay, so generally this is the cable where all the countries are connected each other. Now can we see exactly India is connected to where, India is connected to where which locations, between the countries. You can see here the India is connected to the 5 locations. Okay, in Mumbai, you can see the Mumbai, it is connected to the other countries like Saudi Arabia and Egypt. You can see, right, this is the connections. Okay, and Cochin and Trivandrum and Tuticorin and Chennai, from Chennai to Malaysia and all. Okay, you can see. So from Tuticorin to Sri Lanka. So India is connected to the other countries at 5 locations. These we call internet exchange points. What we call here, internet exchange points, IXPs. You know what, you can say this is a main market. You can say it is a main market where all vegetables are available. The whole wholesaler shops, you can say. So the general store persons or people who are selling the vegetables at the roadside, right, they will purchase here bulkly on the main market, and they will sell it, right. Similarly, the so-called broadbands like Act or whatever it is, Geo or Airtel also, they're taking input from here. They will purchase a input connection from here in the form of GBBS, and they will give a internet connection to MBBS to each and every user across the India, across the India. Okay, we have Vodafone, BSNL, Geo, Airtel, lot of service providers, Tata Communications, and as well as CFI Technologies. A lot of service providers we have. NTT Data. Okay, so yeah, in US you can see AT&T, Comcast. In UK you can see British Telecom. Okay, there are a lot of service providers here. Okay, where you can give a internet services to the users. Okay, so simply in India, these are the 5 locations where exactly we have connected. Now you understand, right? If anything happened in border Gavaskar cricket match also happened in uh, Australia. So this is the data is coming through this fiber cable under ocean. Okay, so why this much? We are accessing the internet. We are watching the match on live, right? Without any delay, maximum, without any delays. Currently, we are also watching the IPLs. Somewhere is it is happening, and you're watching at your phone. How exactly it is? Because backend. So the Geo, I mean Airtel or Geo, they're providing internet services to us. We are accessing it. Okay. So within fraction of seconds, light speed is like 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It will travel that much of speed. It will so that's the reason we are able to access. After 10 years, I can see, right. After 10 years from now it is 2025, right. After 10 years, it means 2035, you can see wonders in internet. Okay, so everyone need internet here. Without internet, nothing will happen, right. That's why we have a lot of opportunities in networking domain. In software domain, it is not like that. So the lot of big companies, they will they will invest a lot of amount on research and development. Okay, now recession is going on, due to Trump tariffs. And from last 2.5 years, 3 years, very critical to get a job in software domain, because all the projects are hold currently. Who will give these projects to the service provider? I mean, what is that? We have three types of companies, guys: startup companies, service based companies, product based companies. All these product based companies are work for product based companies. So service based companies will get a projects from product based companies. So these product-based companies called Amazon, Google, Oracle, and other product-based companies will give you projects to the service-based companies, and they will hire the candidates bulkly, and they will train them, and they will give you a opportunity to work on those. Okay. So the thing is, now there is no projects. Product-based companies not giving any projects to the service-based companies, because of the recession, because they want to do cost cutting. Now currently AI is evolving. Whatever the developers can do, right? So AI is doing. So AI is not affecting in networking, because if internet goes down, if any cable goes down, AI cannot go and insert the cable. Okay, AI cannot check what exactly we need to check. We are using network automation at least to save some time, to configure protocols and all. It is really helping us, but definitely it is not impacting to the network engineer domain, networking domain especially. People who are working as a support roles, right, in networking domain or software domain or wherever it is, this networking and software both are comes under same category, that is information technology, it software, it networking, both are same. The salaries are equal, everything is same. But software, you may see the coding, here you don't see any coding, you see only implementation. Okay, so each and every, people who are working in banking sector also, banking sector, they need internet. So there you will see network engineers. So that's why people who are working as a non-technical, in non-technical domain, I will give them a real time project. You can put that experience as a technical experience only. Okay, I'll come to that point. So try to understand the importance of this networking. People who are studied ECE, right, it is very relevant to them. Okay, EC and CSE candidates especially. Okay, recently the people who are completed degree in BA, they cracked the interview. You can check it in YouTube, in my YouTube channel, in success stories. Okay, so degree is a entry ticket for anything, but people who are studied in EC and CSE, in diploma also, EC and the CSE, degree also become computers, right? There is a subject called computer networks, so it is all about it. Okay, yeah. So these are the devices. Okay, the laser will lose at the some time, right? Suppose Mumbai to Chennai, there is 1,000 kilometers. The laser signal can travel up to 100 kilometers. After that, you need to boost the signal. So these are the devices to boost the laser signal. Okay, to boost the laser, these are the fiber optical devices. Optical networking, you will see these devices. Okay, these are called WDM devices. We used to say layer 1 devices. Okay, so I'm just, I worked in real time, so I took a snapshot and I'm just showing you here. Okay, in India also, each and every village, each and every district, they connected the cables underground. If if you see any underground constructions, right, something like underground, if they dig, right, anyone, you may see pipes, orange color pipes and all. Have anyone observed? If anyone dig the, ground, right, for drainage or something, you may see the cables. Have you seen anyone?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
those we call fiber cables. Okay, internet cables. Yeah, in India, each and every location, all districts are connected through, already connectivity is established. Who established that? Geo and Airtel. Those are already established. Even BSNL as well. Okay, yeah, fine. So these are the networking devices. Once you completion of this course, right, you'll become a network engineer. You'll get a job in networking as a network engineer. So you will work on these devices. Are you able to see my screen, right? These are all our devices. Some devices cost of 3 to 4 lakhs. This device cost is 1 cr, more than 1 cr, very huge. So these devices are used in data centers, in service provider environment. You know what? So you don't get a access to log in these devices, because if you want to get a access, if you want access to log in these devices, you should have a practical knowledge and you should certify. Okay, so currently I will give you all the practical knowledge. I will give you hardware training also. Okay, so once you completion of this course, you will get a opportunity to work on all these devices behind the internet. These are the devices, networking devices, routers and switches. In any company, there are bunch of employees, right? Each and every employee, we need to give a computers. All the computers are connected to these switches. You may see these switches in banking and hospitals also. Whatever the, CC cameras, computers, each and everything is connected to the switch. These switches are connected to the routers. So try to understand these routers, these switches, and security devices called firewall. So there are a lot of attackers. So hackers, they try to enter into your organization, they try to steal your personal information. To protect your company data, they use firewalls. So the switches, routers, firewalls, all are called networking devices. So if you get a good knowledge on hardware and protocols about routing protocols, in routers you use routing protocols, switching you use switching protocols, firewall you use security protocols. If you're good at all these three, you will get a job easily. This is 100% sure, because industries are looking for the candidates who are having knowledge on routing, switching, and firewall. Okay, that's why. So these are the devices, right? Who are manufacturing these devices? Like mobile phones, who are manufacturing it? Either Apple or Samsung, right? So, or one place, we have a lot of vendors to manufacture mobile phones. Similarly, for routers, switches, and you know firewalls, we have a vendors. Those we call Cisco. Cisco is top. Okay, Cisco is top. Cisco here, CCNA. So Cisco is the company who is manufacturing all these devices, and also Juniper. Juniper is a company, it is manufacturing in routers and switches. Similarly, Nokia. Nokia is you don't know about Nokia actually. Everyone thinking that Nokia is only for small phones, dabba phones. It's not like that. Nokia is manufacturing the routers, antennas, 5G antennas, lot of stuff it is doing. Okay, and Huawei and lot of on firewall you may see the Palo Alto. Each and every product, the different vendors are top. Like Cisco, right? Cisco is top in enterprise networking, like all the enterprise routers and switches. Juniper is famous for core routers in data center routers and service provider routers. Okay, but in security, Palo Alto is the number one. So just type here, right? So security device. So which vendor is number one in security? Firewall security. Firewall. You can see Palo Alto, right? Are you able to see? You can type it. You can type in everywhere. So Palo Alto is the next generation firewall which can support for cyber security platform, cloud platform everywhere. That's why I integrated this Palo Alto course in my internship. If you want to get a Palo Alto training, right? So currently very few organizations are giving training on this. So here we're more concentrating on this very important industry level. Everyone, 80% of the people are using Palo Alto in their organizations. So this training can be given by Karthik sir. He's a Palo Alto TAC engineer. Okay, next generation firewalls and remaining routers and switches, right? Cisco and Juniper. I will give you a training. Okay, so in even though if you see, right, top 100 skills in top 100 skills in uh, currently everyone, right, whoever is currently passed out, they will check what is the current skill. You can see uh, current skill which I can which I can which can gain a more knowledge, and boom, everyone is learn the technology as per boom, right, not per as their passion. They're not they are some people are passionate, but lot of people, they will check which one is boom currently in boom, which one, if I learn, if I learn this technology, can I settle it or not, what is a career progression in this technology. So you may search it, right? So if you see, right, these are top 100 fastest growing global skills. If you see, Palo Alto is number 4 now. Okay, the first skill is long chain, chat GPT, generative AI is second. Okay, so this Dynatrace is third one, and Palo Alto firewall is the number fourth. Okay, you may see all networking, number 11 is also is there, root cause analysis. Okay, this all part of networking. Okay, so that's why we integrated in this internship. Okay, yeah, fine. So once you completion of this course, you will get a jobs. Designations are network engineer, you will work in data center, in network engineer. And this is me. I think 10 years back, not 10 years, 8 years back, I worked in a data center. Okay, so I was there to from scratch level. I implemented, we designed and implemented all these data center things and all. Okay, so these are the servers, you can see, these are the racks, all servers are connected to the data center internally. Okay, and now the next role is network analyst. Network analyst, whatever the organization you join. Okay, IT companies, government hospitals, military people, wherever you go, network engineer will be there, even in banks. So small organization, each and every company, there will be a network engineer. Okay. So if you see, right, network analyst, so in small medium organizations, he will take care of each and everything. He will analyze the issues. Okay, he will troubleshoot the issues and make sure users should get in 24 into 7 internet connection. This is one more role. And another role is knock engineer. So freshers maximum will get a job role like this. So in data center, right, in this data center there are thousands of devices. If anything happened to those thousands of devices, how come you will come to know? So in knock engineer, this is a big screen. If any device goes down, right, it will show you here, hey, this device went down. So the knock engineers will coordinate with the field engineers, and they will resolve the issues. This is one more role. Okay, and another role is L1 network engineer. This is the basic role. They will not give a admin access to you. They will only give you a read only access. You just log in the device. For freshers, you can just do basic configuration and basic checks. And network administrator is, completely will take care of small company infrastructure. Like any SBI branch offices are there in my Kurnool district, all SBI branches will be taken care by one network administrator. Or else any small company, any startup company, there will be administrator. Any hospital, it's a big hospital, so you may see a lot of floors. So all the all the computers, all the network admin, there is a rack inside the hospital as well. So a network admin is taking care of their company infrastructure. Okay, and network engineering service providers called Geo, Airtel. Okay, and other, Geo, Airtel, lot of service providers are there. There also you can see L1 network engineer roles. These are the roles. Okay, and the next one is TAC engineer. TAC engineer is like, you're purchasing a product, right? If anything happens to that product, suppose you purchase a Apple phone or Samsung phone or something, OnePlus. If anything happened, right, you will go to the customer care, right? Similarly, if you purchase this Cisco or these devices, right? If anything happen, they will contact to the Cisco team. Those team is called TAC engineer. They are very high skilled. This is a top role in networking domain. You can say top role. The TAC engineers will have a clear understanding of hardware and protocols, each and everything. So I worked as a TAC engineer for 4.5 years, and Karthik sir also worked as a TAC engineer, Palo Alto TAC engineer, almost 3 years. Okay, yeah. So this is the thing, guys. So TAC engineer, if you become a TAC engineer, you will be pro level network engineer. Okay, yeah. So there is a high chance. So TAC engineer role you will only see in product based companies. Okay, so in this networking domain, which is very easy to get a job in product based company. I will tell you one example. My name is Ramesh. I am from Kurnool. I studied in Dr. KV Subbareddy College. The KV Subbareddy College is very normal college, but I got a job in Amazon. My colleague is studied in IIT. See, he studied in IIT, I studied in a normal college, but the packages, everything is our same. Here the thing is, skill does matter. Okay, so in the networking domain, if you have a proper skill, you will easily get a job in product based company. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is it. And if you see, right, the cloud network engineer means if you work in the data center as a network engineer, this is a cloud network engineer. And this is the Amazon data center. I just took a snap when I visit there. And now you can see, this is about me. Okay, let me, uh, let me explain about my journey here. So I started as a network engineer in field and network engineer. Okay, I used to take care of government organizations. You may see this kind of boxes, right, in banks or hospitals. So you may see it. If you go there somewhere, you may see these boxes. Hospitals also. So you may see routers, switches, which will connect to the computers. Okay. I started my journey in field. I worked in service provider also. I worked on DWM devices and ASR 9Ks, 903s, Nexus switches and all. Okay. So in field only you will learn a lot. Okay. So if you get a field opportunity, right, please do not miss it, boys. Especially I'm telling about, this role. So only field engineer jobs, the boys only will get it. Okay. So if you get an opportunity to work as a field, just go through it. Okay. At least for 6 to 8 months, you will learn a lot. I'm telling you, you will learn a lot. People who are working at knock, right, or remote, they don't have visibility on devices and all. Okay. Yeah, fine. So for 4 years I worked here as a field. Then I moved to Infosys. So I don't like the service based companies. Just 6 months, 7 months I stayed here. I don't like the process in service based companies, so I don't want to join any service based company. I decided that I don't want to join any service based company, either Infosys or TCS or whatever it is, because in the service based companies, if you join there, okay, for freshers they will give you 11 months of training. Once you complete the assessment, they will put you in bench. Again, you need to give an interview for the clients. For experience, they will hire you. They will directly put you in bench based on your skill set. They will map projects, and you need to give an interview again. So the projects you are getting is not 100% related to the technical. You will get different projects which are not technical. So I simply denied the projects. I don't like the process. For 4 months I was in bench. Then I did a small work for networking project only. Then I left it. Okay. Then I joined in Juniper as a tech engineer. Here everything got changed. Till here I have 4 years of experience and I can configure BGP, everything. Troubleshoot also I can do, but I don't know the packet level, what exactly is happening at the back end. So once I join in a product based company, I learned a lot. Then I moved to Nokia work experience you don't see here because it happened through lockdown. And then I from Nokia to I moved to Amazon. Okay. So this is my career journey, and my starting salary was just 8,000 rupees. Now I'm paying per month 75,000 rupees of tax. Just imagine, within 10 years, it is within 11 years, everything got changed. Okay. So the thing is, skill does matter here. Okay. Yeah. What are the packages for the freshers, right? Here, once you completion of this internship or training, right, the minimum package you will get is 2.5. Okay. And depends on your skill set. People who are done internship and who are having good skills, right, they will get 4.5 also. People who are done only CCNA, they will start with 2.5. It depends, guys. So I'm giving internship. This internship consists of CCNA, Juniper, and Palo Alto. These three courses. People can do only CCNA. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Okay. So these are the industry standard skills. That's why I designed and I put all these three courses in. See all these three courses in internship. So we are providing internship by combining all these three courses: Cisco, CCNA, Juniper, and Palo Alto. Okay. People may only join in CCNA. It's up to you. Okay. It's up to you. Okay. So if you have more skills, here everything is career doesn't matter. Career gap doesn't matter. Okay. Career gap doesn't matter. And I will show you the proofs. You just wait. Okay. The only thing is skill does matter here. What you need to do here, we will give you 12 plus of real-time projects. Okay. The process here is, I'll explain you. Just understand. This is a packages. Okay. For entry level, this is a thing. Mid level, you may see this. If you are a 4 years, 5 years experienced, you may get 12 plus. More than 12 plus, you will get it. Okay. Currently, lot of people, experienced candidates are joining here. They are getting hike 110% of hike they are getting. Okay. I will show you. Okay. These are the packages. You can verify in Google or Glassdoor or somewhere else, whatever the platform you want to verify it. For freshers, it is starting from 2.5 LPA and it is vary from 4.5. Okay. So here the advantage is, so here I'm going to teach you CCNA, right? So what the first one is CCNA. Okay. And JNCIA. It's a Juniper course. Here I'm providing a certification, global certification. So JNCIA means I'm going to give you training. Once you complete the training, right, I'll put a exam. So guys, the thing is, you need to do certifications, right? For CCNA certification, cost is $370 with the tax. It means almost 33,000 rupees. So to pass the CCNA exam is very difficult. Okay. Even experienced candidates also, you need to prepare dumps. Okay. But JNCA, I worked in Juniper, right? So I will give you proper training. The Juniper cost is $236, $200 for examination fee. Okay. $36 for tax. Okay. If you pass my voucher exam, right, you may get $150 discount and just $55, right? 55 to $59. It means almost 5,500. You will get a certification from Juniper. Okay. You will get a certification from Juniper company. It will valid for 3 years. So there is a guarantee I'm giving on certification. In case if you fail, right, I'll pay for you. That is my guarantee. Okay. So 200% will assist you for certification. Assist in the sense we are giving a knowledge to you. You will definitely pass Juniper certification. At least one certification at least you will have, right? So people, everyone is thinking about budget. So within the budget you will get a Juniper certification. So if you want to check, do I get a jobs about Juniper or not, whatever I'm giving training, right? So go to the Naukari. So visit Naukari. Okay, go to the Naukari and search for jobs. Search for network engineer. Okay, network engineering or network engineer. So which training I'm giving? JNCIA, right? Type JNCIA here. See CCNA here and PCNSE. See, you will see hell lot of jobs here with CCNA and all. Okay, minimum open here job. You will see LAN WAN technologies. See Palo Alto firewalls. Lot of jobs are available. People only are taking CCNA. So I'm telling you, everyone, so explore in job portals, understand which courses are requirement. I'm telling you, right? I'm in the industry for 12 years. Palo Alto is number one in firewall, and Juniper also. Okay, Juniper, Anna, I don't want to do Juniper. I don't want to waste money. Okay, just check it whether we have a job opportunities or Juniper. See that Juniper itself, we have a job opportunities here in this company, Vijaya Diagnostic Center. Vijaya Diagnostic Center is a just a hospital. Even in hospitals also we have. Okay, so people who are done, so they are using Juniper devices also. People who are done JNCIA, you may get opportunities in different organizations. See, so JNCIA, see L2 engineer here. This is a company, Talent Corner HR Services. So they are looking for a candidate who has done JNCIA and CCNP. So JNCIA is equivalent to CCNA, guys. So you can search. There will be a lot of jobs available outside the market. Okay, in service provider especially, they are using Juniper routers. They are using Juniper routers. See, bachelor's degree or diploma people eligible with IT qualification, and either CCNA or Juniper certification is required. So CCNA certification is very costly, right? Let's do Juniper certification. If you know Juniper, right, you will able to handle Huawei and other vendors also. Okay, so it's up to you guys. My responsibility is, I want to tell you these are the important things for job. Okay, this is Juniper and this is CCNA and Palo Alto also. Okay, and yeah, this is the pay scale. And once you done the certification, see the certification is looks like this. You will use this Juniper logo in your resume. If the HR sees this logo, right, he will prefer you because you have done a certification. Okay, yeah, so a lot of people are passed. Currently no one is failed so far 89 people got passed. Okay, almost 89 people. 89 people wrote the exam, everyone is passed. So this exam score, it look like this. Okay, and night shifts also will be there for freshers. Some people who only want day shifts, it's not like that, it's IT field. So being as a network engineer or software engineer, night shifts will be there. You'll get allowances also, special allowances also for night shifts. Be ready. Okay, and if you have any questions, ask me now. Before going to ask any questions, I'm going to tell you three important things, guys. Okay, so we are giving recorded sessions for each and every batch. Okay, in case if you miss the class, right, you can go through recorded sessions. Okay, this is my team. Okay, so for each and every batch we will create a group. See, this is a group, 8th March, CCNA April 8th batch. This is a group. We will interacting here, whatever the images, whatever it is, right, everything we will share here. We'll follow up the candidates whether they are doing labs or not. Everything will follow up in respective group. We will create a group for each batch. My team will follow up with them. My team is there for technically and anything. Okay, so all materials, each and everything will be there in CCNA training videos. See here, CCNA training videos. Here you need to give a password. People who are registered, enrolled, right, they will get a password. Okay, they will get a password. Okay, so this web page is not maintained by me. This was maintained by my team. I think the password, let me call you. Okay, Okay, 1 second. It's okay. I think I may miss some small key. So once you open this, and 1 second, let me ask my team for the password. Hey guys, can anyone send me a password? Anyone has changed? Okay, I got a password. Oh, got it. Okay. Yeah. So this is a password, okay? So my people, for security reasons, they used to change the password. So whoever has enrolled, right? Everything, the recorded sessions, I will give you in WhatsApp group. These are the CCNA, CCNP study guide. This is the command sheets. This is the interview questions, okay? Very important for freshers. If you download this PPT, all the PDF file, which is prepared by my own, okay? If you see, right, you can download it. These all are interview questions, okay? So everything will cover. So if you prepare this, that is enough, okay? And one more thing here is, if you if you go on here, right, in the website, each and every day PPTCs are available here, recorded sessions are available here.
Arvind sir.
Sorry, what is that? Hello, someone is saying something. Yeah, let me come to you guys for your questions. So all things are available here, okay? So each and everything for not only CCNJ, Jinpur also. If you see on here, right, the syllabus you will see here, okay? The syllabus you will see here. So in the syllabus, the BGP protocol is very important. The BGP is not part of CCNA, but I'm going to teach you that, okay? So there is no like restrictions to learn here. There is no limits to learn here. So whatever in real time in industries which are required, right, I'm added here, I'm teaching it, okay? Yeah, you can explore. So here everything I will teach you at packet level. No one will teach you packet level because a lot of people don't know, okay? So packet level in the sense, this is a packet capture. So hackers and ethical hacking people or cyber security people should know this thing. So in networking basics, they should know. Everything I'll teach you at packet level. Verify the things. What exactly happening at the back end. So if you learn the things at packet level, you will easily get a jobs. Okay. So lot of people, you must do projects which we are giving you. Okay. So people who got job, March 10th batch, 20th batch, lot of people got job. This week almost 12 plus people got job. So we have a groups, guys. So freshers jobs. So here you can see, right? These are freshers. So freshers group, you will see recently we referred him and he got a job as a knock team. Okay, when I posted this, I think yesterday, I think. So Tuesday means day before yesterday, he got a job. So you can see a lot of people here. This guy, this guy. So we tied up with Vedang company. So he got a job in April. He's able to do work in April 12th. It means 4 days back, right? So this is a one more guy, and there is a lot of people. So this is a one more guy. April 9th. Okay, April 9th. He's also got offer letter. So a lot of people got offers. Okay, for freshers, experienced candidates also. So experienced candidates, they have to complete the CCNA training, and then I will give you the main projects. Okay, so all the protocols I will teach you in with real time examples. But the thing is, you should know, for experienced candidates only, you should know either it is technical or non technical. Experienced candidates are non technical or technical. You should know the process. It means ticketing tools. Maybe you may know the ticketing tools, but if you see, right, real time project, you can see, right, this real time project, it's very important. Okay, if you see, these are the things you need to understand. Critical issues. What are the critical issues? How to provide root cause analysis. Okay, scenario based questions, situation based questions. If you want to double your hike, right, if you want to double your package, and you need to make sure prepare at packet level with complex scenarios. People who are already working on this environment, right, no need. For non-technical people, especially if they don't know anything, right? So I'm going to give you the real-time project. This project consists of process training, like how to create a tickets, what are the monitoring tools, what are the ticketing tools, how to handle P1 P2 tickets, okay, how to interact with internal team, and scenario based, situation based questions. Everything will be covered here. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing here is, if you see, we just updated the, web page. People who got the job within 25 days to 60 days. Okay. So this guy is a diploma guy. We referred him in TCS. He got it. Okay. So he's an experienced candidate in technical only, but his package is very low. But he got 120% hike. Okay. These guys are freshers. Okay. So freshers may get 2.5 LPM minimum. See, this guy T Prakash is a civil. He's 2022 passed out. Career gap is there. He's a civil candidate. He got a job as a fresher 2.5. He's a easy candidate. 2024 passed out. He got a offer in a company, and it's a 4.5. He has a good skills. So it depends on the skills. She's 2020 passed out. 4 years career gap. She got it. Okay, like that there are a lot of people. So she worked in non-technical, is a medical coding. Okay, for 2 years she moved into technical in TCS 5.3. Now she got in Capgemini with 150% hike. So this guy is also, he's already got a job in placements. But placements, if you join in a placements, 11 months is required to get into the to get a project. Even though during 11 months anything can happen. So he learned a skills at very high level, and he tried outside directly. He got two offers. He got two offers. So he joined in Metamox. So now he's working in cyber security team. Okay. So like that there are a lot of people. I didn't added them here. So recently only we there are a lot of people who got job here. I posted in the placements group. We have a group, guys. Freshers job placements group and experience, you can see, experience placements group here. So people will get, you know if you have any, if you have any vacancies, right? We used to provide, we have a dedicated team called placements team. So Varun is the placement officer. He will take care of all placements, especially freshers. For experienced candidates, I will tune them and I will refer them. Okay, we will refer them. So the referring process is here is very clear. Whoever having a skills, we will only refer them. There is no, favorism here. Even though if you do favorism, company will take them. No, it is not like that. Suppose you are doing a business, suppose chai business. If the whoever is a person, right, the chef person, he need to make a good chai, then only you will hire them. Otherwise, how can you hire them? Seriously. Similarly, you also have a good skills. Only they will hire good skill candidate only. There is no favorism here. So whoever has done the labs, especially, we are giving the labs every day. Whoever has the complete the labs, we'll take an interview for them. Once you completion of interview, you will get a certification. Okay, what certification you will get? So here, so this is a certification we will issue. You will get an internship certificate. This certification cost is $34. We are spending $34 for each and every candidate. Okay, so recently we issued this certificate. See, you can okay, you can download, you can publish the certificate to your LinkedIn as well. So these are certificate it look like. Okay, so we are part of MSME and Startup India. It's we have all authority to give training and all. Okay, so these are internship certificate. It look like this. You can share it this award to LinkedIn as well. And whether the certification is valid or not, right? This is a digital certificate. Just that you can share this link to HRs. They'll just click on this digital certificate. It will verify it automatically here. Okay, whether the credentials are valid or not. Okay, so whether you have done the completion this course or not, the HRs will validate over the internet. Okay, the very high level training we are giving. Also will providing the good certification we are providing. We are not giving the certification to each and everyone. Whoever is attending the interviews, right? So it's a real time interviews. My company HR will take a first round. Okay, second round will taken care by my team. Third round I will take care of it. And guys, whoever has taken internship, right, we are giving free communication skills training, because communication skills are very important here. So how many times you want to join the communication skills, you can join, because communication is very important. Without communication, it is not possible to crack the interview. Okay, so that's the thing. So we are providing each and everything to crack the jobs. Okay, so try to complete the course and try to do the labs, clear the interview internally. Once you clear the interview, we'll give you the certification. Then we'll start referring you the people whoever has done the internal interview, right? We will prepare their resumes already. We will prepare it in a very good manner, and then we will share them directly to the clients. Once the client is received, right, he will acknowledge us. We'll call the candidates, hey, we already refer you, just ready for the interview. So people who are whoever is got the job, right, all these got, so this guy got the job after referring only. Okay, so these all are the referrals, we refer them. Okay, all Vedang, there are 7 people who got the job. Okay, for experienced candidates, reference is not required. Okay, you prepare a resume, you will get a hell lot of calls. For reference also, we have in product based companies, we will refer you. So when we will refer you, the clients will come back to us. We have openings, we will put all the openings in these groups, respective groups, and then you need to send your resume to them, and they will schedule it accordingly. Okay, see, this is it. So this is a guy who got job recently also. So qubit lab. So guys, I would like to tell you one thing. Go to the YouTube channel and go to the success stories playlist. Especially there is a playlist called success stories. I'm going to give you here. Okay, uh, there is a lot of candidates who got the job, from different background. So recently this guy, right, Narendra, he's a BA, BA in history and economic, history and general, I think. BA history and economics, something is there, right? BA, I don't have specialization degree, but he's from BA background, and he cracked the job. He's from December background, but he took almost 3 months of time because he's a non-technical background. So a lot of people who got job, 30 days also, 2025 passed out candidates also got a job. Okay, I think this is Bhargav and other team, Santosh. There are a lot of people. So they're still, doing project reviews. Okay, they're still doing project reviews. I think this is a guy, Santosh Narayan. He's a BTech final year candidate. Okay, so still project review is going on, and he cracked the job. He's a March 20th batch. Their training is completed in April 2nd, and they got the job within 1 week. Okay, yeah, it's up to them. He prepared very well. So offline we have our office at offline, located in Kukatpalli branch. So you can see Tungabhadra Networks Kukatpalli. People who want to go offline, please go offline. This is the office. So if you see, right, see all photos. Why? Okay, I'm not able to see. See, if you see right here, you may see all the photos here. So this is a branch. You can go there, and so we have all the devices inside the, here. This is it. We have all the devices here, routers and switches. Go there and practice it. My team is there. I will also available on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because I'm a working employee. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'll come here. I will interact with you in case of any queries. So the classes will be only on Google Meet, because you want me to teach, right? If you want to hire people, I will hire it, but they will not have much experience to explain the things. Okay, so I will explain each and everything in Google Meet, provide you recorded sessions. My team will help you for any technical. We have a senior engineers in my team, so they will help you each and everything for a lab setup and explaining doubts and queries and all. Okay, yeah. Now, if you have any questions, guys, I almost cover each and everything. If you have any questions, please ask me. And one final thing is, whatever I'm saying it, right, please do research. Okay, inquiry it, search, check it in other institutions, other organizations, and check it. If they are providing better than me, I'm telling you to join there also. Okay, ultimately is whoever is providing good quality of education to you, go there and study and learn it at the things at bracket level. Okay, so this is what I'm giving to you. Now it's up to you which course you want to join. And yeah, so if you have any queries, you can ask me. Anyone having any queries? Hello, does anyone having any queries?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Hi, Nazim.
Uh, Hi. Actually, I am a experienced person.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, you can
Experienced
ask. You can
candidate.
you can ask in Telugu
So,
also. Whatever the language you are comfortable, please ask your queries. Okay. Yeah.
అయితే నేను దీనికి మీరు చెప్పింది ఆల్టో ఇది దానికి సెపరేట్ మళ్ళీ అమౌంట్ అది ఎక్స్ట్రా చార్జ్ చేసి హలో
What is? Yeah, Nazim. Yeah, can you please tell me?
యెస్. దానికి అలాగే 1 మంత్ తర్వాత ఎక్స్‌ట్రా కోర్స్ ఉంటదా? లేకపోతే వితిన్
లేదు
దాంట్లో
లేదు.
ఉంటదా?
సో మొత్తం అన్నీ ఒకే దాంట్లోనే. సో ఇంటర్న్‌షిప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్‌లో ఏముంటదంటే జస్ట్ go here, visit my website, okay? Visit my website.
ఓకే.
You will see here, okay? So internship program consists of internship program consists of CCNA, JNCIA, PCNSE, and along with communication skills. So for first month we will complete CCNA and Juniper, and second month it will be PCNSE. Okay, it's part of all three courses. Okay, the fee structure, everything is available here, and the main thing is Palo Alto, right? The Palo Alto will teach you after completion of CCNA and Juniper. Got it?
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Yeah. And one more thing, coming to fee structure, we are giving 50% discount to fee reimbursement candidates. Means people who are, having very, less income in their parents' income, and they join in colleges as a fee reimbursement, right? We want to encourage them, and I'm also a fee reimbursement candidate, so I want to help them. So for fee reimbursement candidates, for especially students, we are giving 50% discount. Okay, only on CCNA initially. Now we want to give on all the courses. Okay, yeah, you can just contact my team. The terms and conditions are apply. They will verify each and everything, and they will enroll you in as a fee reimbursement candidate. Okay, yeah. So fee structure is here. If you have any queries regarding fee structure, please contact my team. I'm not the person who's taking care of these fees things. Technically, if you have any questions, please ask me. The syllabus, if you want to check, right, go there, go to the website CCNA. This is a syllabus. Compare the syllabus with other institutions, and compare my teaching style. There are a lot of videos in YouTube. Compare the videos and the services, right? Currently we are not charging any single rupee for placements. The placements are 100% free here. This is lifetime. So there is no, so until you get a job, will refer you. So the thing is, you need to prove yourself in interview. Okay, we don't do any favorism, we don't do any things, like that. So skill, whoever is having skill, right, they will get a job, that's it. So people who have done labs and internal interviews, right, we will directly refer them. They have to prove in interview, definitely they will crack it. It's very easy, because after completion of this 2 months of course, you will get a 10 years of experience, 10 years of experience, right? The candidate who are having the 10 years of experience, that kind of experience you will get it. Okay, yeah. So that it's very worth, because I'm teaching here with passion. Okay, whatever the things you want to learn also additionally, you can call it out in during class, we can discuss. Okay, with Wireshark I'm teaching here. Wireshark means it's a tool to capture the data, ethical hackers and cyber security people who has done background, what exactly is happening at the background. If you know the things at the back end, they will identify your source. So even criminal cases, you can say in movies also, you can see, right, where they will connect, where they will identify the phone, which location it is there, based on that IP address, mobile phone IP address or computer IP address, how they will track it. So yeah, so packet level you should know the things. Okay, fine. This is a training course. Okay, so Palo Alto syllabus is this. Yeah, if you have any questions, please ask me, guys.
రమేష్ గారు
Yeah,
ఇప్పుడు
చెప్పండి.
సో ఎంత డ్యూరేషన్ ఉంటుందండి ఇది
టూ
డ్యూరేషన్
మంత్స్ అండి,
కోర్స్
2 months అండి కోర్స్ డ్యూరేషన్.
ఓకే 2 మంత్స్
Yeah.
2 మంత్స్ ఓకే మీరు అడ్వాన్స్ టాపిక్స్ అంటే ఎంపీఎల్ఎస్
అది
ఎంపీఎల్ఎస్ ఎల్ త్రీ
సిసిఎన్పి, ఎస్,
బిపిఎన్
పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ అడ్వాన్స్ టాపిక్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు సిసిఎన్పి బ్యాచ్ ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి సాటర్డే నుంచి. సో
ఓకే
సిసిఎన్పి కోర్స్ ఇది. సిసిఎన్పి ఎవరైతే జాయిన్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నారో ఇవన్నీ ఇందులో కవర్ అవుతాయి. సో యా, సో యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్ మై టీమ్, దే విల్ గివ్ యూ ద డీటెయిల్స్. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ సాటర్డే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ సిసిఎన్పి. యా, యా. సో
సార్ టూల్స్ ఏమి యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్ మనము అవి
అవన్నీ రియల్ టైమ్
చెప్పగలరు
ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో వస్తాయి. టూల్స్ లో ఏంటంటే మానిటరింగ్ టూల్స్ అండ్ టికెటింగ్ టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సో ఆ టూల్స్ మీద ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తాను. మానిటరింగ్ టూల్స్, ఇప్పుడు మానిటరింగ్ టూల్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయండి, ఎస్ఎన్ఎంపి బేస్డ్ టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, లైక్ సిస్కో ప్రైమ్ అండ్ జాబ్ ఎక్స్ ఆర్ పిఆర్టీజీ, ఇట్లా టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, ఆ టూల్స్ మీద ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తాను. లేకపోతే జీరా సారీ, టికెటింగ్ టూల్. కొన్ని టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఆ టూల్స్ లో ఒక 2-3 టూల్స్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతాయి ఏంటి, అన్ని సేమ్ వేలోనే ఉంటాయి. ఐ విల్ షో యూ. అండ్ టికెటింగ్ టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి, లైక్ సర్వీస్ నౌ, ఆ తర్వాత చాలా ఉంటాయి హెల్ప్ డెస్క్ టూల్స్. ఓకే. డిఎంసి రెమెడీ. బట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈస్ యూజింగ్ సర్వీస్ నౌ. ఓకే. ఐ మే గివ్ యూ ట్రైనింగ్ ఆన్ సర్వీస్ నౌ అండ్ అదర్ టికెటింగ్ టూల్స్. ఓకే. ఆ తర్వాత P1 P2 టికెట్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి, ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి, క్రిటికల్ ఇష్యూస్, కాంప్లెక్స్ ఇష్యూస్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద హార్డ్వేర్ ఇష్యూస్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద ప్రోటోకాల్ ఇష్యూస్, బగ్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి, అన్ని రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్లో కవర్ అవుతాయండి అవి. మాక్సిమం ఈ ఇష్యూస్ అన్ని మీరు ట్రైనింగ్ లోనే కవర్ అవుతాయి. కానీ ఆ ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా ఇంటర్నల్ గా టీమ్. సో ఈ రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ మెయిన్ గా ప్రాసెస్ ట్రైనింగ్ అండి. సో నువ్వు కాంప్లెక్స్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ లో వర్క్ చేసినట్టు నేను ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాను. ఇది రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఓకే. అంటే ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు
సో
ఏదైనా
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కూడా ఇది బెస్ట్ అవుతుంది ఈ
ఓన్లీ
ట్రైనింగ్.
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కే, ఇది ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే
ఓకే.
ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి అవసరం లేదు. నాన్ టెక్నికల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ మాత్రమే రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ తీసుకోండి. మిగతా వాళ్ళు తీసుకోకండి. ఓకే. యా. సో
సార్
ఫస్ట్
సిసిఎన్
సో
కాకుండా
ఆఫ్టర్ 2 మంత్స్
జేసీఎన్
కూడా సపోర్ట్ కావాలంటే ఇస్తారా?
ఏంటండి?
ఆఫ్టర్ 2 మంత్స్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు లెట్స్
యా
ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంది.
యా యునో ఇది ఒక కమ్యూనిటీ అండి, బిగ్ కమ్యూనిటీ. మీరు ఈ 2 మంత్స్ తర్వాత జాబ్ వచ్చి వేరే కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయినా కూడా లైఫ్ లాంగ్ యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, ట్రబుల్ షూటింగ్ కమ్యూనిటీ అని బిల్డ్ చేశా. ఇంతవరకు నేను చాలా ఆల్మోస్ట్ 600+ ఇంజనీర్స్ ని ట్రైన్ చేశా. అందులో చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ 80% ఉన్నారు. అందరూ మంచిగా 80% ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ సెటిల్ అయ్యారు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడైతే ఈ గ్రూప్ లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు, ఆల్మోస్ట్ మెంబర్స్ చూసుకుంటే 400 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఇట్స్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ కమ్యూనిటీ. ఆల్ ఆర్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న వాళ్ళు 400 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. దీంట్లో యాడ్ చేసేస్తాం. సో దీంట్లో పర్మనెంట్ గా మీరు మెంబరే. ఎనీథింగ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ యువర్ కంపెనీ ఇష్యూస్ ఆర్ టెక్నికల్ రైట్, ఇక్కడ పోస్ట్ చేస్తే చాలు. సో ఇక్కడ మేము డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. సో పీపుల్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ డూయింగ్ ల్యాబ్స్ అండ్ పోస్టింగ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ. సో నెట్వర్కింగ్ వరల్డ్ అండి ఇది. ఈ కమ్యూనిటీ చాలా చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది ఈ కమ్యూనిటీలో. సో యా, వీ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు లైఫ్ లాంగ్ యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుందండి. లైఫ్ లాంగ్ అసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది.
అరే ఆడికి పోతే అర్ధ గంటలో కాదమ్మా,
హలో సార్.
ఎస్
దిగేసి చూడుతుంది,
ఎస్ ఎస్
ఈడొచ్చి నిలబడితే ఇది
సార్ మామూలుగా సిసిఎన్ కాకుండా జేఎన్సీఐ చేయడానికి వచ్చా సార్ డైరెక్ట్?
యా, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ డూ JNCIA. ఇట్స్ అప్ టు యూ. బట్ ఇట్స్ అప్ టు యూ. సో CCNAలో ఏంటంటే చాలా కవర్ అవుతాయి ఇవన్నీ. జునిపర్లో ఇవేం కవర్ అవ్వవు. జునిపర్లో సిలబస్ ఇది చూడండి. జునిపర్ యొక్క ప్రోడక్ట్ గురించి ఎక్కువ నేర్చుకుంటారు. దాని యొక్క ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ ఎక్కువ నేర్చుకుంటారు.
సార్ అదే ఏది బెస్ట్ సార్ మామూలుగా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను అదే డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ నుండి ఇప్పుడు నేను నెట్వర్కింగ్ కన్వర్ట్ కావాలనుకుంటున్నా.
CCNA మెయిన్ బ్రదర్.
అవునా సార్? ఓకే సార్.
CCNA ఇస్ అ మెయిన్
సరే.
థింగ్ అండి.
Hello, sir.
యా, హలో, క్యాన్ యూ హియర్ మీ?
I am Santosh.
యా, హై సంతోష్. యా.
If you teach Telugu, I will not understand.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? వాట్ యు డిడ్
Process
అండర్స్టాండ్?
one, so it will be mixed
సారీ, యువర్
or
వాయిస్ ఇస్.
only English session will get.
So the classes will be only in English, brother. Okay. It's not in I will explain each and every topic in English only. In case the
Yeah,
real
I'm not understand that you will teach in Telugu. If you teach in Telugu,
No, the
uh,
classes will be in English only. Okay, not in Telugu. Okay, all the classes will be in English only. Simple English I use. Okay,
yeah,
the thing is, the whoever is Telugu people, right? If they have any queries, they can ask the questions in Telugu. At that time, I'll simply jump into the Telugu regional and try to convey in a regional language to understand them better, and then I will quickly continue to the in English only. Okay, yeah. It's not like that. So currently also, current batch also, I'm teaching in
okay,
English only. So the classes will be in English. Okay. Yeah.
okay, okay.
హాయ్ అన్న, దిస్ ఇస్ శివ.
Yeah. Hi Shiva.
నాకు 4 years కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది. 2021 పాస్డ్ అవుట్.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు నేను CCNA తీసుకొని ఫ్రెషర్గా ట్రై చేశాను.
Yes. Please. Yeah. ఫ్రెషర్ గానే ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే రీసెంట్ గా 2017 పాస్ అవుట్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కొట్టారు. యా.
ఓకే
కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్ బ్రదర్. యా.
ఓకే అన్న.
ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?
అవునా?
యా. Hi. Can you
ఈ
hear me?
మధ్య 19 టు 21 కి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. హలో
Sorry. What is that?
హలో ఈ మంత్ 19 కి 21 కి 2 బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నారు కదా. ఫస్ట్ 19 స్టార్ట్
Yeah.
అవుతుంది.
ఈ మంత్ 21st కి న్యూ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎస్, దట్స్ కరెక్ట్.
19 కదా.
సారీ
19th అన్నారు కదా సార్.
21st కి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి, నాట్ 19th.
19th. ఓకే.
యా యా
కన్ఫర్మేషన్ 19 అని
యా
పెట్టింది.
యా యాక్చువల్గా నేను వీడియోలో 19th అని చెప్పాను. సో దెన్ ఐ థింక్ దట్ అండ్ 21st ఇస్ గుడ్. యా
అదే అదే డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
యా 21st అండి. యా అట్లాంటి థింగ్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే మా టీమ్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు మీరు, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఓకే.
యా సో కెన్ ఐ గెట్
Hello, sir.
సజెషన్స్? వన్ సెకండ్, సమ్వన్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్.
Yes, sir. Can you please tell me that the class timings?
That, yeah, very good question, brother. The class timings are 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay,
It's
every day.
every day 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday only classes. Saturday, Sunday there is no classes. And Monday to Friday only 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Each and every class will be recorded and shared to you.
Okay.
Sir, offline timings.
Sorry, what is that?
Offline timings.
Offline timings also same. You go to the office and join there over the meeting. Okay, once you done the class, my team members are there. They will assist you for lab practicing and all. Understood?
Okay, sir. Understood.
The thing is, I'm the only person who teach CCNA. Okay, I cannot travel here and there, right? Everyone is expecting a classes from me only because I'm the experienced candidate. I can train you very well. Okay, so if you need a trainer, I will arrange a trainer, but outside market I need to hire them. But outside market people are having less experience. You know what, guys, 10 years of experience cannot teach CCNA. They will teach CCIE. Why they will teach CCNA? Everyone will think in a commercial perspective to earn money. Okay, I'm supposed to teach CCIE, but I don't want to do that. I want to try and each and every, see, my agenda is from my company. I want to provide lot of jobs to the candidates. That is my agenda. Okay, to provide the jobs, to get a job, what kind of skill you need. So I will train them. So this company is there to provide a jobs to the candidates. Okay, yeah. So even I collaborated with Vamshi. Recently there is a guy influencer, right? So this company is almost established from long 8 years. Sorry, long 8 months. Okay, from last 8 months, I was teaching it. Everything is going very well, but I can see there are very less fee reimbursement candidates are joining every day. Okay, so he is teaching aptitude and reasoning, right? So maybe it will go to the fee reimbursement candidate if he convey this information. So I'm expecting fee reimbursement candidates can utilize this opportunity. They can grab the opportunities. There are 13,000 jobs are we have openings. 13,000 jobs are opening in India. You can search in Google. Naukari or ask ChatGPT. How many network engineer jobs are opening currently? You can just ask ChatGPT. It will give you. Okay, yeah, there are a lot of huge openings. People are always want to do software engineers, but this is also IT. You will get a equal pay. Okay, yeah. So Sella Deva, yeah, all the topics and syllabus are mentioned in the group. You can please check it in the syllabus page. Okay, every syllabus is there.
Hi sir, I want to ask something. Can you arrange a demo class for a Paleto
Palo
as well
Alto,
as
yeah, Palo Alto demo is already scheduled 2 days after. Please contact my team. They will join you there. Palo Alto.
okay.
హాయ్ సార్.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ నేను 23 పాస్ అవుట్ సార్.
Yeah.
అయితే 23 తర్వాత మా ఫాదరు కొంచెం కోవిడ్ నుంచి పోస్ట్ కోవిడ్ వల్ల బాధపడటం వల్ల అది క్యూర్ అయిపోయాడు సార్. సడన్ గా ఎక్స్పైర్ అయిపోయారు. అండ్
Okay.
నేను ఆ తర్వాత డివాక్స్ చేయడం అని చెప్పేసి కేబిహెచ్పి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో అసోసియేట్ ప్రొఫెసర్ అని చెప్పి అక్కడ చేశాను సార్. అక్కడ వాళ్ళు ప్లేస్మెంట్ చూపించలేదు సార్. కాల్స్ కూడా రాలేదు. 1.5 years నుంచి ట్రై చేస్తున్నా కానీ స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతున్నాను సార్. ప్రజెంట్ నేను ఇక్కడ మీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చా? ఫ్రెషర్ గా నేను ఎలిజిబుల్ లేనా? అంటే నాకు కొన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్.
ఏం డౌట్స్ బ్రదర్?
నేను ఫ్రెషర్ గా ఎలిజిబుల్ లేనా? ఫ్రెషర్ గా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చా? కోర్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? జాబ్ ప్రొవైడ్
మీరు
చేస్తారా
మీరు
మీరు?
మీరు డెమో అంతా విన్నారా?
లేదు సార్, నేను ఇప్పుడే అటెండ్ అయ్యాను సార్.
డెమోలో ఏం చెప్పాను? 2020 పాస్డ్ అవుట్ అయినా ఎవరైనా సరే ఫ్రెషర్స్, వాళ్ళు కూడా ఫ్రెషర్సే కదా. చాలా మంది 2020 పాస్డ్ అవుట్, 2019 ఎవరైనా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు ఫ్రెషర్ గా. కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్ ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? యా, అది.
లేదు సార్, ప్లేస్మెంట్ గ్యారంటీ ఉందా సార్?
సో ఎవరు గ్యారెంటీ ఇవ్వరు బ్రదర్. ప్లేస్మెంట్ గ్యారెంటీ అన్నాడంటే వాడు ఫేక్. ఓపెన్ గా చెప్తున్నా. ఎవ్వడు ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ గ్యారంటీ ఇవ్వడు. అదంతా నీ చేతిలో ఉంటుంది. నా బాధ్యత ఏంది? హై లెవెల్ స్కిల్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి నేను మొత్తం అందరికి ఈక్వల్‌గా ట్రైన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ లేకుండా. ఓకే. సో నా బాధ్యత ఏంది? మిమ్మల్ని మంచిగా ట్రైన్ చేయడం, ఇంటర్నల్‌గా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ తీసుకొని మిమ్మల్ని యుద్ధానికి ప్రిపేర్ చేసినట్టు ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం. మీరు అన్ని ల్యాబ్స్ చేసి మా ఇంటర్నల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో క్వాలిఫై అవుతే మిమ్మల్ని రెఫర్ చేస్తాం. మీరు మా కాడ క్వాలిఫై అయితే ఆటోమేటిక్‌గా క్లయింట్ దగ్గర కూడా ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వాలిఫై అవుతారు. ఓకే. అది. సో
ఓకే సార్.
ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ గ్యారంటీ అనేది ఎవ్వడు ఉండదు. నీ చేతిలో నువ్వు ఏం ల్యాబులు చేయకుండా ఏం చేయకుండా నాకు ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఇచ్చాను అనుకో, అట్లా ఎట్లయితుంది? కాదు కదా. అందరు నాకు డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి చాలా మంది నాకు కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతున్నారన్నా నాకు పెళ్లి కావట్లేదు జాబ్ కావాలని. అట్లా ఎవరు ఇవ్వరు కదా. పెళ్లి కావడం కోసం జాబ్ కావాలి, ఆడ మామని ఇంప్రెస్ చేయడం కోసం జాబ్ కావాలి, గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇంప్రెస్ చేయడం జాబ్ కావాలి. ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క కోరికలు ఉన్నాయి. కానీ అట్లా జరగవండి. కష్టపడి చదివితేనే జాబ్ వస్తుంది, లేదంటే రాదు. ఓకే.
అదే సార్, నేను హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తాను.
ఎస్, హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయండి. మై టీమ్ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో డూ వాట్ వి సే, రైట్? సో రీసెంట్గా నేను ప్రూఫ్ కూడా చూపిస్తాను కదా ఇక్కడ. సో ఇఫ్ యు సీ ఇన్ దిస్, రైట్, ఇన్ దిస్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్, సో ఫ్రెషర్ గ్రూప్. సో ఫ్రెషర్స్ గ్రూప్ అని ఉంటుంది. సో మీరు 1 వీక్ తర్వాత మిమ్మల్ని జాయిన్ చేసేస్తాం. ఓకే. ఇది ఫ్రెషర్స్ గ్రూప్. ఈ గ్రూప్లో మిమ్మల్ని జాయిన్ చేయించేసి రీసెంట్గా ఈ అబ్బాయి కొట్టాడు. ఓకే. సో మాకేంటంటే అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఇక్కడ, మామూలుగా ఇట్లా రెఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వాలంటే ఛార్జ్ చేస్తారండి. కంపెనీస్ నుంచి ఛార్జ్ చేస్తారు, క్యాండిడేట్స్ నుంచి ఛార్జ్ చేస్తారు. మేము అట్లా ఛార్జ్ చేయట్లేదు. మా ఏమంతా జాబ్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడమే ఫ్రీగా మాకున్నంతలో. ఓకే. సో ఆ జెన్యూనిటీ చూసి, మా దగ్గర సబ్జెక్ట్ చూసి కంపెనీస్ మమ్మల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. చాలా క్లయింట్స్ ఆ క్లయింట్స్ కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి రెజ్యూమ్స్ ఎవరైతే రెడీగా ఉన్నారో ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్లియర్ చేసేసి వాళ్ళని మేము రెఫర్ చేస్తున్నాం క్విక్గా. ఓకే. వాళ్ళు తెచ్చుకుంటున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు 30 మంది జాయిన్ అయితే 30 మందికి జాబ్ రావట్లేదు. 30 మంది ఒకేలాగా వర్క్ చేయరు కదా. ఎవరైతే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, మార్చ్ 20th బ్యాచ్లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 12 మెంబర్స్ జాబ్ వచ్చాయి. బికాస్ దే డిడ్ ఏ లాట్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. రిమైనింగ్ అంతా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఫ్రెషర్స్ అందరికి మాక్సిమం వచ్చేసాయండి. ఓకే. మేము రెఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తే ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ ఉండదు. ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ అంటే ఏంటి, రిటర్న్ టెస్ట్ అట్లాంటివి ఏమి ఉండవు. ఓకే. ఫిల్టర్ చేయడానికి. ఎందుకంటే మా దగ్గర మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ట్రైన్ అయ్యారు కాబట్టి మా కంపెనీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫీసర్ వరుణ్ నుంచి అన్నీ వెళ్ళిపోతాయి ఇవి. ఓకే. సో అది. సో ఇదండి ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు కదా, రీసెంట్గా ఎంతమంది ఇలా కొట్టారో ఇక్కడ. మాకు క్లయింట్ వేదాంత్ క్లయింట్ అండి. వేదాంత్ క్లయింట్లోనే ఒక 7 మెంబర్స్ దాకా జాబ్స్ వచ్చాయి. సో వాళ్ళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు మాకు అడిగారు. ఇంకోటి ఇది రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బేస్డ్ అంతే. సో ఇది మేము ఇచ్చేది. ప్లస్ మేము రెజ్యూమ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసి మేము నౌకరీ, జాబ్ ఇట్లా జాబ్ పోర్టల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అన్నిట్లో అప్లై చేపిస్తాం. మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ కాల్ రాగానే మళ్ళీ మాకు చెప్పాలి మీరు. సో మళ్ళీ మేము ఆ జేడీ తగ్గట్టుగా మిమ్మల్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఇంటర్వ్యూకి బాగా మంచిగా ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాం. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ రోల్కి ఒక జేడీ ఉంటుంది, జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్. దాన్ని బట్టి మనం చేయాలన్నమాట. యా. ఎనీవన్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?
సార్ ఆఫ్లైన్ బాగుంటుందా ఆన్లైన్ బాగుంటుందా?
ఆఫ్లైన్ బాగుంటుంది బ్రదర్. ఆఫ్లైన్ వెళ్తే ఆడ ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫీసర్ ఉంటాడు. ఓకే. మీరు ల్యాబ్ డైలీ చేస్తుంటారు కదా, డైలీ ఇల్లు కూడా అంతే. చాలా మంది ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఆఫ్లైన్ వెళ్ళే నేర్చుకుంటారు. అక్కడ రియల్ డివైజెస్ ఉంటాయి. రియల్ డివైజెస్ మీద లైవ్ లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మా టీం ఉంటుంది, మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ మీరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు లేదా వాళ్ళు లైవ్ లో చూస్తారు. ప్లస్ మీతో ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫీసర్ తో మీకు ఇంటరాక్షన్ పెరుగుతుంది, రైట్? సో యా. సో దట్ మీకు వర్క్ చేసే చూస్తారు. ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ లో ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళైనా సరే ఫోన్ చేసి ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫీసర్తో కాంటాక్ట్ ఉండాలి వన్స్ కోర్స్ ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్. సో ఇది ఏంటి, మీరు ల్యాబ్లు కంప్లీట్ చేసి మా టీం మానిటర్ చేస్తుంటుంది, ఎవరెవరు ల్యాబ్లు చేస్తున్నారు, ఎవరెవరు చేయట్లేదు ఏంటి. ఓన్లీ స్కిల్డ్ క్యాండిడేట్కి మాత్రమే మేము రెఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తాం. సగం సగం స్కిల్స్ నేర్చుకొని కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ కంపల్సరీగా జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి అందులో కమ్యూనికేషన్ రౌండ్ క్లియర్ చేసిన వెంటనే మేము నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్కి ఎలిజిబుల్ చేసేస్తాం. ఈజీ క్లియర్ చేసేస్తారు, ప్రాబ్లమే లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఫ్రీగానే కదా ఇస్తున్నాం. దీంతో పాటు ప్యారలల్గా ఫ్రెషర్స్కి ఏం పని ఉండదు కదా, మామూలుగా ఫ్రీగానే ఉంటారు. సో కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ డైలీ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే. సో లర్న్ చేసుకోండి. సో మీకోసమే ఎవరు కూడా ఏ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కూడా కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఫ్రీగా ఇవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఇది ఇండస్ట్రియల్ ట్రైనింగ్. సో జాబ్ రావడం కోసం ఏ స్కిల్స్ నేర్పియాలో అన్ని నేర్పిస్తున్నాం. ఇది మీ చేతిలో ఉంది. మేము నేర్పించే బాధ్యత మాది. నేర్చుకొని మేము రెడీగా ఉన్నామన్నా అని చెప్పే బాధ్యత మీది. దెన్ వీ విల్ స్టార్ట్ రెఫరింగ్ యూ. ఓకే. There is no guarantee for anything. It depends on your skill set. Again, I'm telling you. Okay. Yeah. Anyone having any questions? Yes. Hello.
హలో అన్న, మీరు ఇందాక ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ పాయింట్స్ అని చెప్పారు కదా.
Yes.
సో ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్ వాళ్ళు డేటా అనేది మనకు కమ్యూనికేట్ చేస్తారు.
Yes. They will purchase from internet exchange points. అక్కడ నుంచి they will start giving you services to you. Yes.
First thing is who build that internet exchange points, no?
Sorry.
ఎవరో ఒకరు బిల్డ్ చేయాలి కదా ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ పాయింట్స్ లైక్
So there is a
డేటా అంతా అక్కడికి
location.
రావాలంటే
So they have, see, if you have money, you have also become a internet exchange pointer. It's all about money. Do you have money? You can become a network internet exchange pointer. You can lay your cable. Now Geo, right? Geo, he has a lot of money. He has own cable. He laid his own. You know why he gave you free 4G services for 2 years? The Ambani. Why he gave you? ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాడు? Because ఎందుకంటే he has his own cable from Mumbai location to the Dubai, towards Dubai. He has his own cable laid. Now he's also laying the cable from Chennai to Malaysia. He want to expand his Geo services in Malaysia and other countries as well. Okay. Yeah.
ఓకే
So you can learn all these things during class, brother. Okay. Yeah. More information. Okay. Anything else to discuss? Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. I'm stopping the recording sessions because it is almost very lengthy. Yeah. So you can ask questions after stopping this recording session. Okay. Thanks everyone.